Oh, she saw the color.
I just don't feel like myself, you know? It's not me.
This model is not paying attention to the warning signs all around her.
Oh my God.
That looks kind of crazy. Maybe there's a vision I'm not seeing. Tyra says a model looks like Angelina Jolie and then proceeds to give her a makeover that makes her look nothing like Angelina Jolie. It's the craziest makeover I've ever seen from Cycle 11. Let's take a look, shall we?
Hi. How you guys doing?
Good.
Well, we actually heard you had some interesting visitors last night, and they took Tyra away, and we don't even know what your makeovers are.
But if you girls notice right behind you, the mirrors are covered. Yeah. Because you won't know either until those mirrors are uncovered.
Oh, God.
Yup. But you know what? You guys are in great hands because we are at the Neil George Salon.
Would you guys do this if you were told, hey, we're going to give you a top model makeover, but you won't know what it is until it's done? Would you do it? I would have to know for something like this. I can't go into it blind. I'm not trusting anyone. I don't know these people.
Welcome to Neil George. We got a great team of stylists.
And you're going to have a photo shoot where you can show us your new look. All right, so let's get started. You guys can just grab them and let's go.
Oh no, it's yours makeover. I don't want to know.
Oh my God, what's gonna be?
You've been waiting for this day.
Don't you? He knows, right?
The good fierce witch is here with you to make everyone pretty. Because the good fierce witch says that every young girl deserves to be pretty. Marjorie, too blonde, don't you think? I want to make her brown.
Do you like it?
I like the blonde better.
I really like the fact it's really warm and it's definitely edgier.
Actually, okay, not that. I think it just looks really good in the pictures. And her makeup and the styling, I love for this photo shoot. So, I mean, after I see it in the photo shoots, I'm like, okay, it looks good, but then it doesn't look like that in person. Tyra looks like one of the characters from The Never Ending Story. That movie always scared me as a child.
I'm ready to do whatever we got to do. What?
Jocelyn, what a voice. Quite different, don't you think? I think she needs hair down to here, wavy with texture.
Okay, yeah, that looks really good.
So excited. We've all been so excited for so long.
Really?
Yeah.
For the makeover?
She's like, really?
I would have thought everyone would have been terrified.
Exactly. She's the realest one on this episode. She's like, you guys were really excited about this? Really? I would have been terrified for my life. Yeah, not me. I'm not even involved in this, and I'm terrified on your behalf.
I would have thought everyone would have been terrified.
Oh, well, maybe some girls would.
Maybe some
Afraid
girls.
to look silly.
Are you afraid you're gonna look bad?
Just in general,
Yeah.
personality and photo shoots.
I'm out of control, I'm gonna look stupid, I'm gonna look crazy.
Yeah. I'm careful
Yeah.
with how I'd like to be portrayed and the image that I'm creating for myself. So I'm hoping they decide to give me like long black hair, long brown hair. I'm really, really, really hoping for long hair.
I think it'll
Oh,
be very interesting
God.
to see what happens when you do let go.
Really?
It's
Let go of her
only going
hair?
to help your work. It's gonna make your photo shoots better. I think it'll only help you.
Alina, it's time to pack up your bags, Habibta, and it's time to leave. The alarm bells are ringing right now, and no one can hear them, and everyone's still seated. This model is not paying attention to the warning signs all around her. Number 1, she said she wants long hair. Number 2, she admitted that she doesn't want to look silly. Number 3, the worst thing of all, she's saying all of this to Mr. J. Mr. J's hinting. He's like, it's going to help your work. Yeah. You don't want to look stupid, really? Well, it's going to be interesting. What does they say? It's going to be very interesting to see.
What happens when you do
What happens when you do let go? When you let go of all of that hair. Maybe I'm getting ahead of myself and they're actually going to give her a good haircut. And I'm just... But also, I've watched these makeovers too many times. I hope I'm wrong.
Don't look bad?
Just in general.
He's like, are you afraid you're going to look bad? Yeah.
I think it'll only help you.
Deep breath.
Samantha, looks like any girl walking in a mall
Oh,
with
God.
plastic earrings on. We've got to make her more high fashion.
That length is cute.
Elevate, darling, with short hair.
Oh, my God.
Oh my God, you're upset.
Yeah,
Are you worried
yeah
that
she's
your
crying.
boyfriend's not gonna like it?
Did he just say, are you afraid your boyfriend's not going to like it? What about the actual model? I don't think she's thinking about her boyfriend right now. I think she's thinking about herself and how long this is going to take to grow out.
Are you worried that your boyfriend's not gonna like it? I mean, if he didn't like it, you need a new boyfriend.
Oh my
know
God.
that I look really, really fierce. I don't feel like girly girl
Okay,
Sam.
wait.
I feel like a model.
Okay, wait. Okay, I see the vision here. I see it. I think it's just the long bang. You guys, I have to say she looks so cute on the left. And I think had they just kept her hair cut, it was like cut a little shorter when they initially cut it. I think that looked great. Okay, wait. I changed my mind. This is how it looks in person. Actually, never mind. I don't know. Because then in the other clip, it looked nice. Let me see.
I know that
But then here, it looks great.
I feel like a model.
Yeah, I'm glad. It seems like she likes it.
Hannah, it's a little mousy. What did you think?
Mousy?
So we're gonna give her a bang and a little chop chop to the chin. Oh my God, are you serious?
You look like a fashion model now.
I don't know. I think I liked her better before. I think it's just maybe the bangs and then the shortcut. It reminds me of a melon. I don't know why. Melon. You know the cats? You know the cats that have that melon hat? There's probably a name for it, but I don't know what the name is. It's cute, but I don't know about the hairstyle for her.
How you doing?
I think I'm doing good.
Are you feeling good? Are you particular with your hair? So if it was jet black, you wouldn't say anything?
Don't answer that.
Don't do that.
Clark has that Southern California girl look, but that's not quite edgy on her. To edge her out,
Oh, God.
we'll make it
Oh, okay.
round.
You know,
Oh.
I thought I could never be anything but blonde. It's gonna take a little bit to get used to, but I might have brown hair now, but I'm still blonde inside.
This is, I don't know. I like the before a little better. The dark, I don't know if it suits. I don't know.
I don't think I'd be friends with you if you're not gonna be blonde anymore.
Lauren Bray has eyes like me, but I think her hair needs to be blonder, brighter, platinum.
Wow. Okay, that looks good.
Oh my God, I didn't actually think I'd get color. Sheena, there can only be one Kimora. So I've got to give Sheena highlights, like me.
Okay, wow. Can we see it in person?
You've got a lot of hair.
Annalie, she just needs a little bit more pop. So we're gonna give her some layers and blonde her out a bit.
Oh, wow.
I think it would look nicer.
You know, as a
Brown,
blonde, I feel
I think.
like it's definitely a challenge to be confident. I'm a little bit reserved, and I think my brunette kind of fit that more.
The before looks better.
So scared. I usually like to keep my composure and very serious and very, So I hope my makeover is nothing drastic. What are you guys gonna do to me?
Baby, honey, do you realize that Tyra has brought in the weave masteress herself?
Is she getting the
Tyra,
long
baby.
hair?
And what I just saw, what you're gonna get, drastic. It's gonna be a first in top model
Ever.
history.
Seriously? You
Yes.
ready?
What? Okay, what is it? They've done everything, so. Oh, does he mean that she's actually gonna get what she wants? The long, dark hair?
She's ready. She can work it right. I'm ready, but I'm
telling you,
scared.
baby.
Don't be scared.
You should be scared.
Really?
You should be scared.
Good scared.
That's
You
reassuring.
should be scared.
Have you heard of Angelina Jolie before? Well, that's what Alina reminds me of, but there can only be one Angelina. So we're going to make Alina's
No one's
hair
trying to be
red
Angelina
and
Jolie.
wavy and thick and luscious.
Oh my God.
Oh, she saw the color. Oh my God.
Alina, don't cry.
Are you okay, Alina?
I just don't feel like myself. It's not me, and I don't know how to deal with it.
Alina has this image that she, refuses to let go of. If you are that strong in how you are as a person, hair should not change you as an individual.
Why Tyra brought up Angelina Jolie and then Alina's starting to look like this? She's like, there can only be one Angelina Jolie and Kimora. Okay, ladies? So that's why you're not, whatever they look like, you're going to look the opposite of that. Some people can change their hair up and not be affected. And some of us, we literally cut it 1 inch too short and we cry. And we're on vitamins. So I understand both. Hair means something different to everyone.
We talked about it this morning, the control thing. The great thing is, underneath all this, it's there.
Yeah.
You just don't want to let it go.
Oh, wait. No, I thought he meant it's there. Her hair is still there because they're just doing a weave. The good thing about this is that they're simply sewing in a weave in her head. They didn't chop her hair off. So she can get this removed at any time. So, I mean, I would just rock it if I were her because she can just, after the show's ended, she can just get it removed. And a lot of the girls don't have that option because they cut all their hair off.
Oh my God.
That looks kind of crazy.
I don't even know where to start. I'm not angry that I have this look. It's just, I don't look like myself anymore. And letting go of that it's really hard.
Okay. I don't know who thought to give her this hair. I don't really like it on her. Maybe there's a vision I'm not seeing. It was looking crazy. Did you see the reveal? I don't know why they thought this looked better because it doesn't. No, we have to look at it in person because in the photo shoot it always looks better. So let's go back to the reveal. Where is it? I'm sorry, but she looks. What's that one Disney movie? Remember the girl. You know what I'm talking about. I don't even need to say it. You guys know what I'm talking about. But why does it look like that? But her like auntie that's into conspiracy theories. Mr. J is always too happy to see these reveals. He loves it. If he gives you this look during your makeover, just know you're about to look terrible. Is it just me? Does this look good? Pipsy, do you think she's sleeping in a box right now? Do you think this looks, can you come look at this?
I don't even know where to start.
Me either.
I'm not angry that I have this look.
Okay, it looks better there.
I don't look like myself anymore, and letting go of that it's really hard.
The before was just better.
The process starting.
Miki, a little rough girl with the red hair. She can have any hair in the world. Let's give her black short hair.
Wow, that looks great.
But get ready, because you're going to look fabulous.
Isis, what a lovely girl. But I think her hair needs to be longer.
Tyra's speaking like this.
This is pretty.
Wow, okay, I love that. That's what Alina should have got.
That's soft, like my horse. That's soft.
No, it's not like a horse. Brittany suffers from catalog syndrome, and she needs to be edged out immediately.
Well, they make a lot of money.
Give her a
So.
weave with some wave.
Hit it.
Oh, I think you can work this hair.
Yeah.
It's a very sexy look, and I think it looks very high fashion. And I hope that they see I'm not just like this pretty, innocent face or whatever.
Wow, she's beautiful.
So tell me what you think about me.
What I think about you, I think you're very pretty. I can see you being married to a football player. You
So
the
specific.
perfect wife of a football player.
All I hear is, oh, you're such a pretty girl. It's like,
That's
shut
okay.
up, I don't
That's
care,
nice.
you know. I want to be on top. I want to stand out, and it's just like, it doesn't seem like
That's not
anything I
good?
do, it's getting there.
If I'd have said you that you were ugly, you have every reason to cry. You're not. It's just what you look like.
It's just that, I don't want to look like that.
But you can't help how you look, so that's why you work against it. That's what I'm saying to you.
Do you-
You have to work harder. Girl, get your makeup touched up, child, because you look a mess.
Get your makeup touched. This conversation, I don't understand. She ends up crying? About what? Do you not want to be pretty? She wants to be ugly like the rest of us, okay? I don't want to say I predicted this, but I did predict this. That's why first of all, you don't air your grievances to Mr. J, and you definitely don't tell him that you want long hair. And you definitely don't even have a conversation with him to begin with. If they're bringing up Angelina Jolie, if Tyra gets brought up, supermodel, the word supermodel gets brought up, long hair, it's time to go. It's time to, again, pack your belongings, check your passport, get out of there, fly back home. I want to know what Angelina Jolie did to be brought into this situation. That's what I want to know.